Yeah, so today, I'm bridging at key there, what a reason. What I go on at key?
Big up yourself in dinner.
Everything good?
Yeah, man, they are all it out there.
It's our views of the people. Welcoming people, you see me?
Yeah.
Today we are going to talk about Masicka.
Yeah.
At key, you believe that Masicka is the GOAT?
Me not see it as it, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't see it as yet?
No. As a goat. Me not see him as a goat.
Where you see him
You
as?
about now,
Yeah.
a good performance
Yeah.
in life, you see me?
Yeah.
I'm ready to him and go on with still.
Yeah,
But
that's
so
it.
some people fight
Yeah.
against him about now.
Yeah.
Some people have him down, you see it?
Who are fight against him?
Boy, me is a Cartel and some other artists same way, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's a cartel fight the youth.
Yeah. Me make youth want strive because I'm done make everything in life, you see it?
I get what you say.
Yeah.
Masicka a good artist, you know, people. Don't get it wrong. We're not against Masicka, not against Vybz Kartel, but as a Masicka say, a young people time. Masicka, I go on good from what day, I not lie. He pass couple years.
Yeah, man, that's true.
One heap of song. People
Yeah.
like this youth, but people we give the youth a chance. But
I mean,
me not believe say him a goat still. You see me, in a reach so yet. You see me? But Masicka go and put in the work, you see me?
yeah.
Yeah,
If you make some mistake about now, we're born up on him still, you see me?
I true that. But
Yeah,
him
he
a
might
go
go
on
on good for him so far.
Man go on good so far.
Yeah.
So what you say, in the life you see one clash between him and Kartel?
Yeah, man, right now to one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me don't feel like no clash I go on still, you know, between him and Kartel.
Alright, in that position about now, me know say Cartel better him still in the lyrics, yes, but
Lyrics, yeah.
but my life is the clash same, right? Just like him and Alkaline throw out pan him and Nangs and
Yeah.
Alkaline. You see me? About now there, that means something in common with them, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some bad things out there, you see me? That's why I don't answer to him, man.
I get what you say.
Yeah.
But Kartel still a Masicka to me. It will be mismatch, because Masicka say Kartel a old man. I believe Kartel a old man.
Then Cartel man, cause a young youth man same way.
49 young.
Yeah, he's a big man, and we call him Howell.
Yeah, Masicka about 34, you know.
Yeah, so as me I say about now,
Yeah.
if him don't want to cash him money, I just say, boy, youth, me I go here to a level, you know, just go and do it and make some money same way, you see it?
I believe say a planting between him and Kartel still. I don't believe there is no, you see me?
And him boss other artists and I like them same way, and I really boss my boss Masicka. But show him look further, we can make some money for you, them kind of youth for mine same way. You understand?
A real time.
Show him, motivate him, counsel him and say, boy, yeah, my son, you know, you get some.
Yeah.
Me I look forward to you in the youth. Me not want money for you and your boss.
Yeah.
Hold up a game, you see me?
Yeah.
And don't make lose chatter about no making me that him can go and this or something. No.
That's true. But
You see me?
the back and forth arguing between him and Masicka on social media.
Yeah.
Just feel like that have just clout between the two of them still, you see me? I don't know
Well,
what it.
if Cartel is a man who love it, have a cussing thing to see him way, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? Masicka, I about I see him purpose, same cussing thing, same way. I mean, I
Yeah.
just tell the man to make some money.
Yeah.
You see me? Just give up and say, oh, make some money, boy. You see me? Because I done their yard already, you see me?
Yeah.
And maintain a family the same way, you see me?
A real talk.
Yeah.
So we are say Masicka is the one of the artists right now.
Yeah, man, him hot, brother. I'm not telling
Yeah.
lie. He hot. I'm not telling lie.
Yeah.
He have good, positive music.
Yeah.
Me I see like him and go some freaky thing like how some man go through some freaky thing, yes.
Yeah.
Me I see that people range up in him on him thing there.
Oh.
Yeah. The highlight there, them is not a highlight. I don't like that.
Yeah.
That big dull light. You see me?
So me G, I don't know if you are watching media from one day, but they must say how illegal firearm can get 15 years old. Include a see-through water gun. We really think about that.
Boy, that's stupidness, you know. Me I tell that and Julius. Me and you record Damon and this,
Yeah.
you see me? That's a foolish. That charge, brother. Because man, I do wicked things on this.
Yeah.
I want to take care of. You see me?
So I say punishment too harsh.
Yeah. Because
Yeah.
but they just take it to fire me and just broke it up and just dash it away.
Yeah.
Every time I see a police, I just take it and broke it up and dash it away.
Right now, them fi take them out of Chinese store, them and lock up the China man, them and something.
Alright, look here. And then my car society, you know, you go and see me.
How they come to off.
Yeah.
You see me?
Because whoever bando thing come same way.
Yeah.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
You see me? Me don't know about it, but me can't jump and say, boy, you can't gun, you can't knife, you can't spoon, you can't fork. Because whoever ammunition in the world, I don't think that fork can kill him.
A real talk.
Don't think that fork can
You
kill
see
him.
me?
So,
Yeah.
Back in my days when I look boy, I have understand I'm 10-year-old.
Yeah.
What are going to play with? So that's a stupid thing about now. You say I will look up a man of 15 years.
Yeah,
my parents.
When me little water going to play with you, we not turn out to be no bad.
Yeah. And see where normal see him.
Normal.
Yeah, cause I draw myself in my living.
Yeah, man.
You see me? And you them have feel the full enjoyment, so go through the same way.
Yeah.
But if you say man go too hard with it now as a father, you want to say man can say your Johnny, come in.
Yeah.
I broke up that man because you see you had to make stupidness to do that about now and
really
try to do something positive more than that.
Really
you see me? I know to approach people and don't play with them something like attempt boy. I say, but you shoot there now. And something there. Don't say America because you know say boy.
Yeah.
You have to draw them up in your hand because you're the father.
Yeah.
The government do a better thing than that, brother.
Yeah.
I mean, I like that.
Real talk. So, Mr. Government, if you know how to listen to this, please listen. You see me?
Because there's something about now, stupidness, Andrew. I tell you, stupidness that, brother.
Yeah.
Stupidness that. Because I see man do wicked and inside, Andrew.
Yeah.
You see me? Because whatever things go on in the street same way, you have to take care same way.
Yeah.
Just like when I go downtown and I see a woman selling season. And I police kick over all the woman market load and dirty water. You know look good.
You know look good.
Because they have expense in life and have you for minus and light bill and rent for pay about now. Because if you don't pay your light and rent and something about now. You see a man, I send a brute force, come mash up our things same way, and you still mash up a food basket. You know what makes sense?
A real talk. Real talk.
So I look at you and say, boy, John, no. Get a youth ever feel it.
Real
you see
talk.
me? Because when you look down and think about now, they are pretty negative. And stupidness.
Police
say I cut down crime. Yeah, police do it better. Because say I cut down crime. I build up hunger at the same time. I see more I want to kill away. About now. Because we are the people who build on and put on shit out in their life, you know. And you have to remember that. Say we build on. Because one finger put on out, we put one finger in, one out. You see me? Yeah. So me I believe in that, Tanjo.
Yeah.
Me I believe in that youth. Every youth have a fair chance in life.
Speaking about that, we don't know if you ask you what going on in the media with this Rosalee and Jake situation. You have anything in life to talk about that?
Rosalee and Jake say about now. If you sit down and just counsel one here.
Yeah.
I know what she capable of. I know what the man capable of in life the same way. It's not about a dispute every time about now. Because when we get together, there's no dispute. You understand?
Yeah.
And then you go foolish by the media.
Don't
sound good.
Then suppose Rosalee link you and say I give her a chance. You not take that chance?
Well,
she
give me a bad impressions about now. Because in the classing thing about now, we don't know what me do.
Yeah.
You understand? That don't sound good.
Don't sound good. Yeah.
You see me? Because when somebody getting together, we talk every very good and intelligent and hold up a hope steady. You see me?
Yeah.
I'm not going for your money neither.
A real talk.
You understand?
You see me?
I real for ambition in life and respect and manners.
Yeah.
You understand? Because I ever go 95 because I know say pant and blouse and ties and say no I can say see me road.
Yeah.
You see me? You have to show man respect.
Rosalee, I respect the thing. I'm more and Jake's and cut out the fool in it.
We now say if they back together. No.
Yeah, but stop with the
you don't know say baby father.
Yeah.
You know say boy certain thing. Are you Jake's though? I tell you, me rate you same dog, but guess what?
Yeah.
Me no love man, but me rate you.
Yeah.
Rosalee, me rate the same way.
Yeah.
So guess what? Then you go kill this argument upon the media.
Yeah.
Say something about now make people can feel happy. Because two things we laughing here. There's an insult.
Yeah.
You see me? There's a rejoicement, your heart. But guess what? It don't make sense.
Yeah.
Because bedroom thing about of yours keep inside.
I
really understand? And you go for Jake stuff.
Yeah.
Stop taking human money and style woman to that. If you don't want woman, left woman.
Real talk. And stop watch draws too. Stop watch draws.
Yeah.
You see me?
Because that don't look good for me either. Because the whole world I watch you. Same way, brother.
Yeah, man.
The whole world I watch you.
And go hustle, man.
Yeah, man. Try to do something about now.
Yeah.
Build something, dog. Because when we come from, it's a 5 hour sweetie and it's in the market and more can sell same way. I'm part of the business up now. Go there for the sweetie business and go and panty, you know?
Yeah.
I know say me mind me youth same way. One youth me get me tell you,
You would have your mind. Two youth me get away from mind.
Yeah.
So we have to
ambition.
Yeah.
Key.
Real talk. You see me?
So, Jake's hold up your dog.
Yeah.
Because the world I watch you, brother. The whole world I watch you.
Yeah.
Farmer, you get all 100,000 from the media, 20,000 from the media. It don't make sense, brother, because you take more than that.
Yeah.
But ambition in life, about to start a business, you say about now, you know where you're coming from.
Real talk.
You see me? You know, so you save your money. Rosalee, hold up head to girl, because you see, people are class the same way. It don't look good. People just love it for your own. Jake go for your same way. People just love it for your own.
Yeah.
So you have to be a man, Rosalee have to be a woman. So I mean, say if you should be and say, yo, you know, go back together.
Yeah.
You understand? Because I say wife and husband break up and baby father and baby mother break up same way.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I guess hold up here, brother. Yeah, and love.
I remember people, you want views of the people.
Yeah, man, I want DJ at key, man.
Yeah, man. Like, share, subscribe, you see me?
Yeah, man, really.
Yeah, man, comment and things, you see me?
Because we have more topics to go in our life, you know, you see me?
Yeah, man.
A normal thing, man.
Yeah.
So you them feel so wise and Masicka. We retain you, but yes, man. Thought you figure a little uplift, you see me?
Yeah.
Each one help one, you know? The DJ at key this, man. Me not an artist, but he's a dancer.
Yeah.
So a new dancer and whip them, you know? Yeah.
Alright.